Hello there, welcome back guys. So let's do the trade update. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow we're going to look for taking the trade. And Monday there was no trading, so I just haven't like do anything. I didn't even turn on the video. So we these are the two currencies which we are looking into. USD CAD, we're waiting for the retracement to this area of interest, and a GJ, we are waiting for the candlestick close like a doji, but the issue is this looks beautiful, but I wanted this to close under this area of interest, not above. So it is as it is above. I pretty much lost the interest. So to take the trade, what I will be needing about the things which I have learned, I need the break. I need a clean retest of this EMA and then push to the downside. That is what, because whenever we are above we buy, whenever we are above we go up, whenever we are under we come down, whenever we are under we come down. So right now we are up. I can't take the trade when it is up. I need this to come down exactly like this. I need this to come down like this with a engulfing candle, then I can take the trade to the downside though. So GJ looks pretty much tomorrow can be the trade on the GJ. USD CAD, I don't think so it is gonna come to our area of interest. Oh, now I think so. Fuck, would you look at this? I haven't buy this, but why then this risk reward ratio is over here? I really don't know about this. I fucking don't know. Is that this thing? Oh yeah, pretty much. I was just trying something new. So it accidentally got placed over here. So I am waiting for the price to come back to this area of interest, touch the EMA, and then go to the upside. This is what I'm actually looking into. This is what a trade update. So yesterday we didn't have any trade, that is on 18th. Today we didn't have any trade as we have planned. It is not going to have tomorrow as per the plan. Tomorrow only we can probably have the trading. So let's come back tomorrow. Signing off. This is what the trade update is for today. Peace.